Facebook is now paying its creators to post on Facebook Reels, and in this video I'll be breaking down everything you need to know on how you can apply to these programs, as well as how much money you can actually earn from Facebook Reels. Before we get started, hi, my name's Seb. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, before we actually jump into this, when I talk about Facebook is paying its creators money, I'm not talking about small amounts of money like you can get on the TikTok Creator Fund. I'm actually talking about some pretty significant money where you can be gaining up to $4,000 for a certain program, as well as $35,000 for the other program. So in this video, I'll be breaking down how you as a content creator can start making money on Facebook Reels. Now, if you didn't know already, Meta is actually investing over $1 billion over the course of 2021 and 2022 in its creator program, so you can start earning money every time you post on Instagram and Facebook. And you might be asking yourselves why Meta is only doing this now. Well, the number one reason for this is because of TikTok. As you may know, a lot of people have downloaded TikTok in the last 2 years, and it's actually one of the main apps where people actually consume content now, and Instagram and Facebook are slowly dying. So what they've done is created a fund for creators and actually rewarding them to post content on these platforms to keep more eyeballs on Instagram and Facebook. Now, the real question is, how can you as a creator get a piece of the pie? Well, the first way you can actually see if you are eligible for these programs is actually head over to Facebook right now and see if you've been invited to join one of these programs. But if you haven't seen an invite yet, one way you can do to actually increase your chances of getting the invite is heading over to your Facebook page, clicking on those 3 dots, and then you'll see a button which says convert to professional page. And what this will do is actually accelerate your chances of being invited to the Facebook Reels program. And finally, the last way you can check to see if you can join the Facebook Reels program is to actually head over to the Facebook Creator Studio. Make sure you click on that Facebook tab, and then you'll go to the monetization section, and then it will show you everything that you are eligible to join right now. So now you know how to join these programs, but how much can you actually start making off of these Facebook Reels bonus programs? Well, as you can see from this screenshot, one of them you can make over $38,000, but as amazing as that sounds, they've also just released the Facebook Reels challenge. So now you're not just getting paid for the views you're generating on Facebook Reels, you're also getting paid with these extra bonuses which kind of entice you to post even more on Facebook Reels. So the first bonus is posting 5 Reels that each get 100 plays. The next stage is posting 10 Reels with 500 plays, and for this you're going to get $100. You'll then be challenged to post 15 Reels which each get 10,000 plays, and then you're going to be rewarded $1,000. Now finally, the big one, post 25 videos with over 50,000 plays, and you'll get an astonishing $3,000 for completing this last challenge. Now, the only downside to this is that as soon as you start the challenge, you only have a 30-day time period to complete all of these challenges. But if you put in the work, you're going to be making a solid $4,100 on top of all the additional Reels plays that you're going to be getting in the Reels challenge. So if you're doing both of these challenges at the same time, you can make over $40,000 in just 1 month, which is absolutely crazy. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you have any questions whatsoever, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and we'll be sure to answer all of your questions. And if you want us to make a specific video on something, again, leave it down in the comments down below, and we'll be sure to make that. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.